Right, good afternoon everyone. Now Ray and I went to a Carboot this morning and I did manage to pick up a few bits and pieces. So I'm putting this on the shop because it's a beautiful little clutch bag and beaded. I just loved the beadwork on it. I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. So that's going on the shop. I found this, which is a New Bridge silverware. I don't know if you can see the flowers on it. It is heavy though, but it's gorgeous. But I'm putting it on the shop. We found these beautiful, gorgeous, I mean look at them. Brown and cream pearls. Glass pearls. It could be worn today. Absolutely gorgeous. This one, which I picked up for £1. So, I mean, these go on the shop for what I pay for them. I only buy these because it gives other people a chance to buy them. But it's the spacers. But there's loads of them, so you'll never need to buy them for a long time. So that will be sold as is to be cut or used. Then I found this one. Again, just gorgeous. These could be cut and used for your necklaces. So there's that one, and then the last one was this one. I just love it. It is a vintage style, but can be cut and used on your projects. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful necklace. So there's that. I did manage to find some more mother of pearl buttons. I then found some of this, like a peach coloured lace fabric, gorgeous. And then with that I found some cream. It's like a rose pattern and it's wedding material, so I got that. It'll all go on the shop. And then I found this, two of these, and I'm going to make a carpet bag from it. Just look at that old kind of carpet bag fabric, and it has the cushion covers, but I'm going to cut the fabric out, keep the trim as well because I like the trim, and make a carpet bag from that. So yes, I did find some bits and pieces this morning. Oh, and I found these. Now there's a set of 3, but I'm going to be selling them individually because there's 3 different sizes, but they will make fantastic miniatures. You know, to make miniature houses. But yeah, so it's 3 different sizes and you can hang them. See? And I think they're all the same. Let me just check. Yeah, they all hang. Now the thing is, they are heavy-ish, so you'd have to pay the shipping. It's as simple as that. But they will be put on and I'll do the sizes and everything. But they're quite broad as well. They just need repainting and touching up. So there are those. I just grabbed them while I could. Now what I'm looking for is to do a flower. I just wanted to show you those bits and pieces. There was another necklace with some pearls and I took the metal beadwork out of it. I just loved that, but I've got that one and that one today to work with. Need my needle and thread. Just got the glue gun on. Yeah. You can get some really, really pretty things. I just wanted to make this flower again. Now, I only need that much, I think. Remember what I did yesterday? We folded it down. Well, this time today, we're going to do that with it. So I need 5 of this one. There we go. Make sure they're all the same way. And I'm going to do, I think, just 1 continuous flower of this one. And I don't think we're going to need any more than that, which is about 12 inches. Okay. So we'll do the smaller one first. And I'm just basically going to try and stitch all of this in with a couple of tacking stitches, that's it. And then just go through the holes. Itchy snitch. What do they say if you've got an itchy snitch? I don't know. It stands for something, doesn't it? Right. But that's done what I need it to do. And I'm not going to fuss too much about it. That's great. And then we just put a little bit of glue on there and pin that down. And that's the central flower. I may not use it yet. I never know how I'm going to do them and, you know, what I'm going to do until I get going with them. Now these, they're cut 3 inches wide. And then I'm just going to stitch along the bottom. And I've only done 5, so that should be enough. Alright, itchy snitch. I can't remember what it means if you've got an itchy snitch. If somebody's talking about you, going to pay out money. Probably the latter in my case. Sorry about that, Sadie. Right, so we've got that. And then that one can go on top. I don't like that. I don't like it. Need more of that, I think. Yeah, I need another row of that. You see they're quick and easy to make and they look lovely, but double layer them. I don't like them without being double layered. And then you can put your centre in whatever you want. You don't need to put anything else on. I just wanted that one on to mix it and match it, but I might change my mind now, which is what I do sometimes. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so we've got that now. Yeah, I actually like the smaller one. That's slightly bigger, but never mind. Now we have to wandle this about, because that's going to go in there. That's it. Much better, isn't it? Like that. So pull that back. Push that back. Pull that back. And just do that. Take my little dobber. And that seals him in. Oh, that's much nicer. Now, do I actually want that? No. This is where I like to change my mind. But that won't go to waste, because that'll go in and do something else. Let's just have a look. See what I've got for here. Now, a lady did ask me about cutting doilies up. I think she said she had something that belonged to her grandmother. This is a triple layered one. I don't want that. And would, you know, how to do it without it falling apart. They generally don't fall apart because... let me just do this. Oh. Doilies don't, because they're all interconnected with one link. So it's a link, one link for everything. Each stitch is a single link sort of thing. I've got videos out and I've given her the links to them to share and show you how you do them. Alright, let's just tidy this bit up. I like mine to be tidy. Here we are. That's it. So I am going to go around the edge and pop that on. Pop that in the middle. I like that. I love using these. I love cutting them up. So I need to dismantle that from there. See, like that? Now that dropped off. Everything else will drop off. And we're left with that flower. So what I'm going to do is to pop this on first. Like that. Beautiful. Right choice. And then pop these on as well. See, like, just pop them under there. This one can go this side. Like in there. Like that. And what else can I take off? I can take that one off and that one off. And you just take off what you need as you need it. I'm just going to do this one again. Again, I'm just going to pop that in there so it's a little bit more. And then I like this leaf. And so I'm going to pinch that leaf like that. And tuck that in there. And there is another one somewhere here, this one. And that one is going to join it because I never like leaves on their own. And look at that, that's made a totally different flower. And it's just by playing around with what you've got. So I hope that is helpful. Yeah, that's stunning. Gorgeous, like that. Okay. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.